Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation JFD Manipur will organize a meeting with representatives of various political parties on December 27 to deliberate on issues related to the census. The meeting is part of JFD's ongoing series of public discourses on the census, and the campaign has appealed to all the political parties to set aside political differences and participate, highlighting the crucial role of MLAs in taking final decisions on delimitation and the census. Earlier today, JFD organized another public discourse on census at Moirangkampu Khewa Bazar in Imphal East District. Speaking at the program, JFD convener Jitendra Ningomba cautioned against conducting the census in the state before the implementation of National Registrar of Citizens or a similar mechanism. He clarified that the people of the state are not opposed to the census but are demanding a just and fair delimitation. He urged the relevant authorities to expedite the implementation of NRC or an appropriate alternative mechanism prior to conducting the census. Leaders of various Meira Paibi groups and local clubs were also present at the discourse. Also speaking at the public discourse, JFD Finance Secretary Sunil Karam stressed that census should be conducted only after a thorough assessment of the prevailing situation in the state. He said the exercise must not be carried out during natural calamities, conflict or floods, noting that Manipur is currently reeling under crisis with free movement along national highways still disrupted. Sunil warned that people would oppose any attempt by the government of India to conduct the census forcibly while ignoring ground realities. Expressing concern, he alleged that there is a possibility of refugees being included in the census, which he said would be difficult to prevent and could eventually affect the rights of indigenous communities. He urged the authorities to ensure proper identification of illegal migrants and to conduct a just and fair census.